In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a logo slider to Framer to further enhance the visual impact of your digital prototype design. Our very first step would be heading towards the Insert panel. Now, where is this Insert panel located, you might ask yourself? Well, it's quite conveniently located at the top left corner of the Framer editor. Just take a quick look towards the upper left side of your screen and you'd spot it right away. Alright, once you've successfully opened up the Insert panel, what do we do next? Let's navigate towards the Interactive section. Kindly follow the labels and find this section. Got it? Excellent. Here, you'll spot two intriguing options: carousel and ticker. Now, depending on your specific needs and preferences, feel free to choose either carousel or ticker. After making your selection, grab this item with your cursor and drag it right onto your interface canvas. This action will place your chosen item neatly on your workspace, ready to be manipulated. Okay, next we have a bit of resizing to do. Your canvas currently carries the freshly implemented carousel or ticker, but does it really fit perfectly? If not, do not worry, as it's not a big deal. Just adjust the size of the component as per your requirements and the layout of your canvas. You can effectively vary its dimensions and conform it to aesthetically satisfy your overall design. Well, your chosen component is now rightly positioned on your canvas. What next? Now comes the main part, adding your logos. This step is often accomplished in two ways. You either drag and drop images directly onto the component, which is fairly straightforward, or you connect your logos to the component via the Properties panel. Whichever method suits you best, go for it. Lastly, we reach the customization stage. This is where you tune the look and behavior of the slider to your preferred taste. Navigate to the Properties panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you're welcome to dabble with different settings, making the slider more consistent with your theme and the message you want to convey. And voila! You now have a versatile logo slider adorning your Framer canvas. Enjoy your enhanced design, and thank you for following this tutorial. Now, go ahead and explore the endless design possibilities that Framer has to offer.